Hi! Did I warn you that I was gonna look this pretty today? Just kidding. This is what I'm gonna do today. Indian look, cut crease, gold, brown, green on the bottom because I got some green, pink lips because I got some pink, and I did these overnight curls, and I also put on some lashes for a change. I hate lashes because that's like exercise for your eyes. I hate that. It gives me a headache. But what I do like is the look. No. What are those called? Lash extensions. Oh, the best thing ever. So if I ever have to go somewhere, if I have a special event, anything for my birthday or anything, I always get extensions. They're good. But they're not good for your lashes. It's because your lashes fall off. Because they're stuck to your lashes, your original one. Yeah, your lashes fall off. Anyway, I'll show you how to do this now. Okay, now I have everything under control. My hair is back, my base is done, and I'm gonna start doing, I'm using Morphe 39S. So everything was not under control, now it is. Anyway, using Morphe 39S, I'll be using that shade, this shade, and this shade, going from dark, lighter on like that, and then cut the crease, gold here, dark brown here, light, and then the highlighter shade, maybe I'll use this one, but the gold that will cut the crease will be this gold. Starting with the brown. I find this easier, like make an outline and then I know where I'm going. And then, you guessed it right, blend! I want to talk about something. I've been thinking if I should or if I shouldn't, but then I feel like I need to share my thoughts. I'm not an expert, but I want to talk about like people in depression, people who like there was recently in India, a Bollywood actor took his own life, suicide, and then people are all talking about depression. Again, I'm not an expert, but I feel like I don't know what he was going through, I don't know what people go through, not judging anyone, but like I feel no one or nothing is that big or that important. Like I know at that point, at that time when you are like going through depression and everything, you don't really process all of that, but then no one is more important. Nothing is more important than you yourself. Like just learn to love yourself, learn to accept, just understand that you are important. Don't let people or like other things in the world affect you, your mind. Take all the positive things, but don't let the negatives affect you. I can tell you my story. I wasn't in depression or anything, it's just a story. During school and when I was growing up, I wasn't confident. I didn't like believe in myself. Didn't have self-confidence. Like, sometimes still I struggle, but it's not like that big. Now I know I'm important and I don't let the negative things affect me, and I always stay positive. I always like tell everyone, you know, like you have to take control of your mind and your thoughts. I just started using the second lighter brown shade. I did let people affect my mind, and this is not just during school. This was even during college. This was even during I did masters in business administration. This was also during that. But then slowly during my MBA, when I was doing that, I was living away from home, and that's when I actually grew up. I started learning a lot about people, about world. When you actually come in contact with people, and there's all different kinds of people out there in the world, and everyone is not like you. Everyone is not bad. Everyone is not nice, but they're different. They're people. They have their own thoughts. They have their own opinions, and okay, everyone's opinion matters, but not to you. Like, people always have things to say, but it's up to you how much you let that affect you. Don't let people take control of your life. You take control of your life. Now I'm using the lighter brown shade. I don't want to say bad about anyone, but I just want to say that be nice to yourself. Like, be nice to others around you. I'm not saying that you're the one who is suffering, but there may be other people who are suffering, and then some small things that you say, like, oh, what the hell are you wearing? Not nice. Like, small things. Think before you say things. It can hurt someone, and you never know how much the person is already hurting. Positivity, people, positive vibes, just everywhere. Spread positivity, spread happiness. And right now, during this time, there's a lot of people who are having problems, because this is like that kind of a period where it is difficult. Everyone has their own struggles. There is a lot of negative going around. There is a lot of people dying, a lot of people sick, a lot of people jobless, a lot of people homeless, and that's already a lot to deal with. Just be nice to each other, you know, do some good things. It doesn't have to be big. Start with a smile, and trust me, it can make someone's day. Like, just being a little positive, and just maybe just asking someone, how are you doing today, and not just asking, actually like listening to the person. Don't just be like, oh hi, how are you, and go away. Care. Show that you care. Just go and ask them, are you okay? Can I help? You don't have to tell me anything. You don't have to talk to me if you don't want to. Like, but I'm here. Just know that I'm here. It matters. I try to be nice to people. I might have hurt people. I don't know. I'm sorry if I did. But mostly I try to be nice. That was a lot of serious talk, and I hope that like it does affect in a positive way. Like, that's just my thoughts. That's just what I wanted to say. Now I'm gonna cut the crease, and I'm using concealer from Tarte. I'm gonna use my detailer brush. Take a little bit, take your time, and cut the crease. I'm only doing the first half, so this is a half cut crease. And now I'm gonna use gold. I'm just using my finger because I feel it's better. So here, like where the dark and the gold meets, I'm just using the middle, like the brown shade, but it's not the darker one, not the lighter one, the middle one. I'm gonna use green for the bottom lash line. Morphe X James Charles. I'll do this green in the beginning and then that green at the end. I'll clean that first. Green. And now taking the other green, highlight my brow bone. Like this, as I mentioned before. This one. And now I'm gonna do my eyeliner and everything, and then I'll show you the final look. And that's the final look, as I already showed you. It's very like Indian. I don't know how to explain this look, but it's very nice. I love it because it's like all my colors. I love gold, I love the brownie smoky-ish look, I love the cut crease, I love the pink. That lipstick is so good. I like this look. Tell me how you like it. Also, I really like this outfit. My mom sent this to me from India. I can't remember, I think it was for my birthday. Nice, so simple, so nice. Anyway, keep watching. Thank you. See you next week.